my dear children. Today I am going to teach you how to make a origami paper duck. For that paper duck, you have to take one A4 paper. From that A4 paper, we are going to make a square. You just have to make half to that square paper like this way. Then again make half from this side like this way. Then open it like this way. There will be a middle line in that triangle. You just need to fold from that middle line like this. Another side also do the same. Turn it back. Fold 1 inch like this way. Again, you have to fold this bottom part also, same like above. Then after, turn this side. Then you have to make eyes. Now we are going to make eyes of that dog. Simple googly eyes of that dog. Now we have to make mouth of that dog like this way, W from down. Then you just have to make some musters and some dots. If you want to make, you can make tongue of that dog. Now our dog is ready. See how nice it will. See how nice it is. Now you can try it at home. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.